Hello, I'm Madeline Edgar and I'm a physiotherapist and Feldenkrais practitioner, and I'd like to give you some marvellous movement Feldenkrais tips to make your life easier. And one of the tips I'd like to give you is something that I've discovered for myself. I have an injured shoulder and I found that ironing was one of the things that aggravated my shoulder pain. So I decided to experiment with the ironing, and this is how I was doing it. Moving the iron just from the shoulder joint pretty much with the arm. And I decided that maybe it would be better if I kept my elbow in close to my side and then moved the iron with my pelvis and moving my feet. Voila, problem solved. So that's my first marvellous movement Feldenkrais tip. And if you would like to know more about the Feldenkrais method or about my books and CDs, you can go to www.marvellousmovement.com. Marvellous Movement, all one word with 2 L's. So see you for my next Feldenkrais tip. Bye!